Hey everyone, welcome to the second video in our Visualogyx University series. Today we're going to be going over how to use templates in depth. And so step one, we're here in a new organization, which is just an empty organization with no inspections that have been made. And we're going to go here to the templates section of the left nav bar. And we have two ways to get started with templates. So one way is to create a new template from scratch, which would look like this. And from here, you can name the first page, such as introduction, here on the right. And you can also start implementing text and different kinds of control fields. So this, for example, is a text field. You can take this text field and here on the right, ask a question. So name, for example, inspection inspector. If you want to know the inspector's name, you can change the placeholder. You can make each text question a paragraph or a short text. And additionally to that, you can make the question required in order to complete the inspection. And so a lot of these details, such as making a question required, applies to every single question as well. So if you want to go ahead and drag and drop a multiple choice question, you can make that required as well. And you could change the label of the question. So hello, and you see that automatically updates. And so as you can see here, we have a variety of different controls, such as media and file controls. You can implement a signature, and you could add new pages to create different sections of the inspection. So as you're going to see, you can basically create any kind of inspection that you'd like, acquire any kind of data and evidence that you have for your records, or to send to different clients for different use cases. The platform is completely customizable to your liking. And so this is step one of how to create a template. Once it's ready, the template, you just click here to publish it, and then it's ready to start building an inspection with it. The other way to create a template is by going to the public template library and finding a template that relates to what you're looking to do. So for example, if you're a car inspector, you would go to this general vehicle inspection. You would click the import button right here. You would click import. And once it's imported, you can either open the template here, or when you go back, it will be in your templates library. And then you can just click into that inspection. And there's a whole pre-made inspection that you can use as the boilerplate or the basis for creating your own customizable inspection. So for example, here in braking system is a section within a page. So if you want to change what this section is called, you can change it here, braking system and brake discs, and that will automatically update like we said. And so all of these sections are completely customizable, in addition to repeatable. So let's say you want to do 4 different sections of your braking system. You can make it repeatable, and when you're in your inspection, you will be able to click repeat section, and it will create another exact copy of this exact section. In addition to this, we have certain other features. One, for example, is scoring, that when you go into any single choice, multiple choice, drop down kind of question, you can implement scores. So for example, here we have the 5th wheel hitch. We have OK, needs repair, and NA. But you could also go into presets and do pass, fail, NA. And as you can see, we automatically have scoring implemented to it. I will go over scoring and flagging more in depth in another video, which I will link below. And yeah, so that's pretty much scoring. You can turn that off as well. And here's the properties section of each template, where we have some other features that we will go over more in depth in other videos, such as allowing the upload of files or disallowing it, and so on and so forth. And lastly, every single template can be previewed to see how it would look when you're filling it out on an iPhone or on a tablet or on the desktop like we are now. And so those are the basics of building your own template. And I wish you all the best of luck in building your templates. And if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to the team. And I look forward to hearing your guys' feedback and to see how you guys are using the Visualogyx platform. So thank you very much, and I'll see you guys in the next video.